Ever wondered if a small change could make a huge difference in your car's feel? Well, these Audi A38L pedals might just be that game changer. You know, sometimes it's the little details that truly elevate an experience. And when it comes to your car's interior, especially something as tactile as the pedals, quality really shines through. The moment you unbox these, you immediately notice the craftsmanship. They're not just functional, they're genuinely beautiful. The combination of high-quality stainless steel and robust rubber isn't just about durability, though that's certainly a major plus, making them corrosion-resistant and built to last. It's also about that visual pop. The color contrast and exquisite texture give them a novel appearance, a special workmanship that really personalizes your Audi A38L. It's an instant upgrade to the interior's aesthetic, making it feel a bit more premium, a bit more *U. But aesthetics are only half the story, right? Performance is key. And this is where the thoughtful design truly stands out. They've added anti-slip rubber right between the pedal surfaces. This isn't just a minor detail, it's a significant improvement in friction. You feel a much more secure grip, which translates to a smoother, more confident pedal feel. That prevention of slippage, especially in varying conditions, is super effective and genuinely makes driving more enjoyable. It's a user-friendly design that really does enhance the overall driving experience. And let's talk about installation, because often these kinds of upgrades can be a headache. Not here. The product description promises a very easy, no drilling required process. You simply remove your original pedals and insert these new ones. That's a huge win for anyone who prefers a straightforward DIY project without needing specialized tools or professional help. It means you can transform your car's feel in minutes, not hours. Specifically designed for the Audi A38L LHD with a manual transmission and without a footrest, these pedals are a tailored fit, ensuring perfect integration and functionality. So, if you're looking to inject a bit of style, enhance safety, and improve the tactile feedback of your Audi A38L's driving experience, these pedals offer a compelling package. They're a simple, yet impactful upgrade that truly delivers on both form and function.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.